Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Stoic Investor channel. In today's video, I will share with you my experience in the investment banking industry and the secrets of this world. In particular, I will go deeper into its main division and the activities that they perform. So if you are ready, let's jump into it. Broadly speaking, the investment banks are a specialized type of financial companies that provide a wide range of services. In fact, they provide underwriting services, which is a process by means of which they raise capital in the forms of equity or bonds for investors, or merger and acquisition, where they help the investor to find, evaluate, and conclude the acquisition or disposal of business. This includes merger and acquisition, transactional restructuring, acquisition, spin-off, and the like. But also they perform trading and sales, where they sell and buy financial product in the secondary market, like equity, bonds, and currencies, for instance. But they also perform research in order to help the investor to make better informed decision when operating in the markets. And they also perform investment management activities where they manage funds on behalf of their clients. As you can see, the investment bank is quite different from a commercial traditional bank. In fact, the latter mainly specializes in deposit taking, loan, payments, and other type of activities for retails and other types of customer. Whereas the investment bank is more specialized in advisory and the other type of activities that I just described for a specific range of clientele. Investment banks are divided into three parts: front office, middle office, and back office. The front office is where the bulk of the revenues are generated for the banks. And this is usually split into four main divisions. We have the investment bank, trading and sale, asset management, and research. The investment bank division, or IBD, is probably the most famous division in an investment bank, as it provides advisory services to a wide range of clients, for instance, merger and acquisition or restructuring. This division is split by product and by industry. When looking at the product split, we can have merger and acquisition, M&A, debt capital market, DCM, equity capital markets, ECM, leverage finance, and restructuring, RX. Whereas the split by industry, basically we look at the coverage provided in terms of either industry or sector of the economy. The Sales and Trading Division, or S&T, is where the investment bank buys and sells financial product in the secondary market. They do that with the bank own capital, but they can also intermediate the order from other clients. The objective of these people is to maximize the return given a certain amount of risk that they can take. There are two main parts in a sales and trading division: the equity trading and the fixed income, currency and commodity trading, FICC. The research division is where the investment bank review companies and industry and writes report about their expected earnings, but also issue buy and sell recommendation. They do that in order to increase the trading volumes on a specific company or in a specific industry, and to channel order towards the sales and trading division. The asset management division is where an investment bank manages the funds on behalf of other clients, like for instance institutional investors, non-financial corporate, or even government. They do that by investing the fund in the secondary market, usually by making use of a wide variety of financial products. The middle office is not tasked with revenue generating activities, but it is very important to ensure a smooth functioning of the deal making activities. This is why it has to work very closely with the front office. Divisions in the middle office include financial reporting, compliance, treasury, and risk management. Typical tasks in this division encompass, for instance, once a deal has been closed in the front office, that is correctly reported in the bank's system and application, or that ensuring that the front office has enough liquidity to operate, or even set limits in order to potentially constrain the maximum exposure that the front office can take. We finally have the back office that provides a wide range of process and services regardless of the fact that there are a revenue generating center like the front office. Divisions in the back office usually include IT, internal audit, HR, external communication, for instance. As you can see, investment banks are quite complex organizations. But it is important to understand what they do, their divisions, and the activities that they perform before deciding whether you want to become an investment banker or not. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel. That's it for today. Cheers and see you next time.